Let's talk about high-protein foods for a healthy diet. Protein is an essential nutrient that our bodies need to function properly. It is involved in building and repairing tissues, producing hormones, and transporting nutrients. Protein is also important for weight management, as it can help you feel full and satisfied after eating. Here are 10 of the best protein-rich foods to include in your diet. Number 1. Chicken breasts. Chicken breasts are a lean source of protein that is low in fat and calories. They are also a good source of niacin, vitamin B6, and phosphorus. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. They are also a good source of choline, which is important for brain health. Number 3. Fish. Fish is a good source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Salmon, tuna, and mackerel are all good choices. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and peas, are a good source of protein, fiber, and vitamins. They are also a good source of iron, which is important for energy production. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a good source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are all good choices. Number 6. Dairy products. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are a good source of protein, calcium, and vitamin D. They are also a good source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help with digestion. Number 7. Tofu. Tofu is a plant-based protein that is made from soybeans. It is a good source of iron and calcium. Number 8. Tempeh. Tempeh is another plant-based protein that is made from soybeans. It is a good source of fiber and probiotics. Number 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is a grain that is a complete protein. It is also a good source of fiber and iron. Number 10. Ezekiel Bread. Ezekiel bread is a type of bread that is made from sprouted grains. It is a good source of protein, fiber, and vitamins. How much protein do you need per day? The amount of protein you need each day depends on your age, sex, activity level, and other factors. However, most adults need between 0.8 and 1.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Conclusion. Protein is an essential nutrient that is important for our health. By including protein-rich foods in your diet, you can help you feel your best and reach your health goals. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.